Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to install MetaTrader 5 on Mac. From your internet browser, head to the MetaTrader 5 or MT5 download page on the Admiral's website. Then, click on the download button and you will be prompted to enter your full name, email address, and telephone number before downloading. Once entered, the download will start automatically. Once the download has finished, run the installer. Then drag the icon into your application folder. Simply open the terminal on your Mac. You can find it in the Utilities folder within the Applications folder. Then use the terminal to navigate to the directory where you downloaded the MetaTrader 5 installation file. The Wine installation will launch the MetaTrader 5 installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch MetaTrader 5 using Wine. You may find the MetaTrader 5 shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.